Right. I wonder what video I should make for my beautiful people who always look gorgeous. Unicorn hair. Okay, let's see this.
Hey guys, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, and this hairstyle is going to be good for Halloween or maybe crazy hair day at school, but we're going to be making a unicorn. To start with, I have a piece of cardstock and I've cut this basically.
Is that a sheet of paper?
It's about 5 inches long on each side. This doesn't need to be exact, and it just depends on how big you want your unicorn horn to be.
What's she about to do with this sheet of paper?
As well. So I'm just going to take this and
okay, we roll a sheet of paper. Okay.
Just like that. So if you start with a square piece of paper, you'll notice that the bottom of this.
Yep, that's what happens when we roll a sheet of paper.
And
duh.
Depending on how you want your horn to look, you can place this
on her
your
head
so that it's facing out like that, which is probably more of how an actual unicorn would be. Or you can turn it around so that it's more straight up. So the first step with her hair is that I'm going to section out a square.
Okay, she sectioned off a square.
Now that I have this square sectioned off, I'm just going to put it in a
temporary ponytail. I like that.
While I work on the rest of her hair. I'm going to do this ponytail in 2 parts. So what I'm going to do is just section off the front piece of hair.
Okay, so she's just about to make a ponytail.
And I'm going to leave that out for now.
Okay, now that's a cute ponytail, whatever.
The horn. Now I'm going to take this little.
What's she about to do with this sheet of paper?
In the beginning, and I'm going to place it around this square hair. You'll want to get it positioned exactly how you
position
want it to
that
sit.
piece of paper, sis.
And then you can go ahead and take this flap down so that it will stay in place.
Okay, she gets some tape.
Now, depending on the thickness and length of your hair, you may need to do this in a couple of sections. Her hair is pretty long, so I'm just going to do it all at once. If your hair is shorter, I would suggest like splitting it in half and wrapping one strand down and then doing another one on top of it so that you can completely cover this paper. I'm just going to take hers and just start wrapping it.
So she's wrapping her hair around a sheet of paper.
So much about getting this absolutely perfect. It's a pretty silly style.
It's a pretty silly style.
Hair is popping out or things aren't laying exactly right. Just don't worry about it. You basically just want to cover up as much of that paper as you can with her hair. And then you're going to take some bobby pins along the bottom.
So you're going to bobby pin your hair to a sheet of paper, sis. Okay.
That paper. And as you're bringing them around, if you can cross them underneath there, it's going to hold things tighter for you. All right, this hairstyle is basically done. There's a few different variations you can do. If you're going for like a
and it's just gonna stay
look, you could actually take some colored hairspray and make this whatever color you want. If you want this ponytail fluffier, more like an actual horse's tail, you could take it and curl it and tease it a little bit more. The other thing that would be cute is to make a series of buns back here instead of a ponytail, and then it would be more like a horse's mane.
Oh. A piece of paper. Her hair was bobby pinned to it. Sis, we can do better than this. We can do better. What up, though, love? You looking magical today? Now you just seen this girl took some bobby pins and a piece of paper and made a horn. So I'm about to make my own little version of a horn. So I did a half up, half down look. There's some edges marinating under this. They might come out trash. We will find out when I reveal it. So it'll be easier if you have some rainbow like braiding hair or extensions, but since I don't, I hopped and skipped, you know, galloped like a unicorn to Walmart, and I got some yarn. Now this yarn comes in so many different colors, and so what I did was I cut a piece of the yarn off and I tied it twice around a hair tie, and I made it long enough, so I'm gonna wrap it around this little bun to make my unicorn horn. So this is my hair tie. It's very, very long. I want it to be long enough just in case, you know, just in case. So I have blue, green, purple, and pink. So I'm gonna tie this hair tie around my bun, and I'm gonna wrap it around my head, cause I don't need no sheet of paper. We don't need no sheet of paper, but okay.
Everything changes.
Life.
Alright you guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it. I had a little kind of colorful braid with leftover yarn that I did have. I wrapped up my horn. It's looking all juicy. I don't know about these edges. Comment down below. Thumbs up, thumbs down on my edges. I'm practicing. I tried. I used Wetline Extreme Gel. And this is the end of this video. I didn't use no piece of paper. I didn't need no bobby pins. You guys are all beautiful, gorgeous, and magical on the inside. Give this video a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe. I'm back. Yeah, back 31 videos. Until next time, bye.